A circle have its center in the first quadrant, intersects the coordinate axis at exactly 3 points and cut off equal intercepts from the coordinate axis. Okay, if the length of the chord of circle on the line x plus y is equal to 1 is root 14, then the square of the radius of the circle is what we should find. Okay, now first of all we can observe here circle center is in first quadrant only and circle intersects the coordinate axis at exactly 3 points. So the possible diagram we can see now here, coordinate axis we can draw. Okay, now we can see here circle must be intersects the coordinate axis at exactly 3 points. It is the only possible case when the circle is passing through the origin. Okay, right, it like this only it is possible. Okay, fine. Now we can see they also mentioned what now intercepts are equal with coordinate axis, right? So whatever the length is there here, same length only even here also. So it is the point a comma 0 means it is the point also 0 comma a will be happened. If it is the point a comma 0, if you take, this is also 0 comma a only because intercept is same, right? Now we can see if you join this line, now it's a one of the right angle triangle, right, and the circle will become the circumcircle only, right? So we know that circumcircle of a right angle triangle center is midpoint of the hypotenuse. Okay, what about the midpoint now? 0 plus a by 2, so a by 2 like that only. Now we will get it clearly. So a by 2 comma a by 2 form, right? Okay, now we can also see it is the origin, right? Now if we join these 2 points, it is clearly one of the radius, right? One of the radius. That too, equation of a line also what form now? See, x coordinate y coordinate is always equal, right, in every point. So what happened now? The line will be y is equal to x line. So this is the line y is equal to x. Fine. Now they also given what now? X plus y is equal to 1 is there. It is a one of the chord and the length is root 14 they mentioned. So given line is x plus y is equal to 1. That means y is equal to what? Minus x plus 1 na? So if you observe the slope is minus 1 and this line slope m1 is equal to 1. So slopes product is what happen, m1 into m2 is minus 1. So clearly the line y is equal to x and x plus y is equal to 1 are perpendicular to each other. So for this perpendicularly we can draw like this. Okay, it is perpendicular. Okay, fine. Now we can see here they gave already length of the chord is root 14. So this length will be root over 14 by 2. Root 14 by 2 will happen. This is the length root 14 by 2. Next, this is the length we can find. You can see from the origin the perpendicular distance to this line, given line, is what we can find. You see, perpendicular distance from origin. Okay, so what happened now? We have to substitute the origin in the given line. So what happened now? 0 plus 0 minus 1 mod by root over x coefficient is 1 square plus y coefficient also 1 square. So it will be 1 by root 2. It is the distance from origin to this given line. Okay, now this total is radius. Now if you want to find this distance from the radius, we can subtract this 1 by root 2. So this distance alone if you want to find means this distance will be from the radius. If you subtracted 1 by root 2, we will get this distance. Now we can see it's a right angle triangle because it's a 90 degrees. No, in this right angle triangle it is the radius, right, and this is the length we know and this is the length also we found it. So in a right angle triangle we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So radius square is equal to root 14 by 2 whole square plus r minus 1 by root 2 whole square. Okay, let's simplify this. We'll get the value of r. R square is equal to root 14 square is 14 by 4 plus a minus b whole square. We can expand a square plus b square minus 2ab na, minus 2 into r into 1 by root 2. This r square is cancelled and this minus this root 2 times will be cancelled. Minus root 2r when you bring to left side it will be root 2 times of r is equal to, here 2 2s are 2 7s are, so 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means what? 4 we will get. Now from this when you do the squaring on both side, 2 times of r square equal to 16. From this r square is 8. Okay, r square value 8 we got it. They are asking what now? The square of the radius only, they are asking. So square of the radius is what we got? 8. So this will be 8 answer. Clear.